I joined Dawn TV so I could look prettier on the camera.
Your news, you remember that?
My name's Walter Rogers, and I was the former senior international correspondent for CNN, based in London. Before that, I was the Jerusalem bureau chief for CNN, and I had formerly been the ABC News Moscow bureau chief in the old Soviet Union. Today, I have the privilege of working with some of the best and brightest young journalists I ever saw as Dawn TV tries to bring together their best and brightest to give you the news as you've probably never seen it before.
Tell me when to go. Hi, my name's Walter Rogers. I'm a CNN correspondent. Hi.
Come on, dude. Seriously.
My name is Aman Haq. I'm executive producer of Dawn News Features Department. Features is all the non-news programming that Dawn News will produce.
There.
My name is Mikhail Lotia, and I'm a producer here at Dawn TV. I'm producing the bulletin right now, so it's quite hectic, quite frantic, but you know, if you like to run around and yell at people and do that kind of thing, it's a pretty good gig. But seriously, I mean, making news, you're influencing the way people think, you're influencing what they see. I think it's a great thing for Pakistan's image abroad if you have responsible people making the stories that people are seeing, helping to shape their perceptions of Pakistan, getting them an honest, unbiased view of what is happening, what drives this country. So in that respect, it's really exciting, and you know, no one's doing it in English, and I think we have a great shot at being a classy operation.
I'm feeling shy now, dude.
Go.
Can you go away?
Hi, my name is Altamash, and I'm working on the sports desk, and that's all I do. All I do is come in the morning, write sporting scripts, edit sporting news, and that's all I do, buddy. Imagine for 8 hours. That's great. It's better than working on a bank or something. It's better than working anywhere else, dude. You want to be here right now. Trust me. Come and join us.
Can't say I'm a producer. Hi, my name is Shan Khan, and I'm an associate producer in the features department at Dawn News. I make long format programming, the more creative side of the news. We make shows about social issues, about historical issues, like all kinds of stuff. It's great. It's a great team to work with. If you're an out-of-the-box thinker, this is the place to be, because you're allowed to be creative, and you're allowed, everyone's so encouraging, and there's a lot of support for that. So, yeah.
I'm Mohsin Abbas, and I bring you the news from around the world.
I joined Dawn News because I was convinced that we would produce a credible product.
Because I remember somebody saying a journalist is a nasty life, but still, I'm enjoying it, man. It's a great life.